My name's Bill, and I have a problem. Actually, I have a number of them. I'm going to try to fix one today. Whenever I'm working on a welding project like this, my work surface, like this fixture table, gets really cluttered really quick. And my grinders end up all over the floor. So obviously that's not ideal. It's not even good, but I'm going to try to fix that today. I have an idea. And the idea starts with this scrap piece of aluminum here. So I've got some bend lines laid out. So I'm going to cut this out, bend it up, and then we'll go to the next step. So it's not exactly what I had in mind. I mean, originally when I kind of started drawing it up, I wanted to have the little notches in it for the grinders to sit in, but I mismeasured, so I'm just gonna get a lip. Obviously I gotta still knock the sharp edges off, clean it up a little bit, but it works. Drilled 2 holes for 5/8 bolts to go through into the fixture table, and it holds it. I mean, obviously I can get shorter bolts. This is just what I had on hand, and I can actually run a nut up from the bottom. But I kind of like the idea of it being quickly just drop in 2 long bolts. It's not going to go anywhere because of the pressure of the grinders hanging off it is going to create enough friction with the bolt in the table. It's not going to go anywhere. Now, normally, what I could do with this is I normally even hang my grinders from this shelf up here, right up here, all precariously, where it's literally just balanced. I mean, one wrong move and these things come toppling down. I've lost several cutoff wheels and grinders and stuff, you know, to these things falling and breaking on the floor. But now I can just drill 2 holes up in the top of that shelf for some bolts to come in through, and I can attach this up there. I can make another one for up there or whatever. But yeah, this will work. I said I still got to do all the cleanup on it. One thing I did find out is another reason for me not to like these DeWalt grinders. They've got this weird little piece in here. If I can show you that on, if I can get the angle right. There we go, right there. That prevents this from sitting in there real well. That one would have to have a notch. I mean, it stays, but a notch for that to sit in and kind of bypass that would really help. But it is what it is. It's a real quick little thing to help keep my grinders up off the floor. Appreciate you for watching. Hit that subscribe, hit the bell. I'll see you in the next one.